Hello everyone. Today I'm filming my intro at my desk before I even get into the kitchen. I'm going to be making another baking experiment. Okay, I saw this one also on YouTube. The last one was like a fail because it was so gross. It was a disaster. It was the slutty brownies, right? And that wasn't good. So I'm gonna make this time another YouTube dessert that I saw, right? And it's what is it? Okay, so it's like M&Ms, right? I don't know how many M&Ms. It's just a bunch of M&Ms in a bowl, and 2 eggs, and then some like white cake mix, like powder. Well, not powder. What is it? Mixing cake mix? Yeah, cake mix. And you mix that in a bowl, throw it in the oven. I don't know how long. I haven't checked. Throw that in the oven, right? And it's supposed to come out amazing. That's what they say on YouTube. So it's gotta be true. I'm gonna do this, okay? And we're gonna try it out. And I'm a little worried because the last one was such a fail, and I trusted YouTube on that one, and it was only 3 ingredients on the last one too. So this is just 3 ingredients also. We'll see how this goes. I was told to put the M&Ms in the freezer to help so they don't sink to the bottom of the cake and also like melt too quickly. I don't know if that's, I don't even know. So fingers crossed. Oh, and you guys, I found out, hopefully tomorrow, fingers crossed, I might get my Bronco tomorrow. What? I'm so excited. We'll see what happens. They said it just like hit the rail yard today, and it's still being shipped here, so we'll see how that goes. Anyways, all right, I'll see you guys in the kitchen. Let's go. Oh, wait, one more thing. The M&Ms I got, I'm excited. It's the little things that make me excited. The M&Ms I got are red and green because it's almost Christmas time. So I'm not going to get the colorful, like the rainbow looking ones. I just got red and green, right? Simple. All right, I'm already running into a problem. So this box, right, it says, I'm reading from the box. This box says it takes 3 eggs, okay? The YouTube video said only 2 eggs. So what do? I'm already having issues with this. Also, look, you see right here? I went to Walmart, right? Walmart grocery pickup. I didn't go pick these up. I only ordered 1 bag. They gave me 4 bags. So if any of y'all want some extra M&Ms, y'all can have some. But I'm only going to use, we'll see how much it fills up the bowl. I don't know how many bags I'm going to use. Also, I don't have a round dish like they had in the YouTube video. All I only have is this square one. So I'm going to use this. So there's a lot of variables already in the works. We'll see how it goes. Okay, that's just 1 bag. That almost looks like enough already, right? Like, look at that. Like, maybe? I don't know. It looks like, if I do another bag, that looks like it'll be too many. Maybe I do like half a bag. Yeah, let's just do half. Okay, I do half a bag. They're extra crunchy because they're frozen. So, they're good and cold. Alright, that's 2 eggs. You know, I'm tempted. I'm really tempted here. I'm going to do 3 eggs. Why not? Can never have too many eggs. I think you're supposed to mix it up like this. Ew. It's not looking... That just sounds kind of gross. Then we pour this in, which is just the cake mix. Alright, it was taking too long with a fork, so I just put a glove on, and I'm just using my hand. Alright, now it's stuck to the glove. Alright, so I had to upgrade again. I had to use a spoon. This is super thick. They said it'll be really chunky. It is heavy. There's like no liquid in this. But that's what it looks like in the video. So now we just throw it in the pan. Alright, I'm all done. It was kind of hard getting it into this pan. But it's kind of a pretty color. It's kind of like a pinkish red. It's kind of hard to tell in this light. But I figured I'd just throw a few more on here just for fun. Alright, I want to throw it in the oven for... What does it say? How many minutes? Okay, it says like 23 to 28 minutes. Okay, we'll try that. Ooh, that looks cute. Look at that. All right, I was gonna have it go for like 23 minutes, but my friend Trish told me I should probably only keep it in there for 20 because that's what the guy did in the YouTube video. So let me see if this is done. Here we go again. It's not done. Oh God. All right, it's been about 30 minutes, maybe more. No, it's probably more. Let's try this again. Does that already look what? See, what is that? What is that? Look at that. That's look 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 at this. Why is it gooey in some spot? Ew, look at that. Like, ugh. I don't understand what I'm doing wrong. That raw cookie or that raw cake tastes good though. This is so frustrating. Okay, I'm gonna throw it back in for. I don't know how long I'm gonna throw it in. I'm just gonna throw it in. Okay, so Trish told me to just let it stay, let it be, let the chips fall, the dice fall. I don't know what the saying is. Just let it be, and she said, let it cool, and then we'll go from there. So it's been in there for like 40 minutes. Let me look. Hold on. You know, I'm not gonna even poke it. I'm gonna wait like 10, 15 minutes, like she said. Then I'm gonna poke it. All right. So at this point, if this is a fail and this doesn't come out right, it's Trish's fault. I was gonna let it keep baking. Okay, I was gonna let it keep baking for like another good 15, 20 minutes. But now if it comes out like crap, this is all Trish. Trish told me trust the process, have faith. She said take it out, let it cool. She said, it's gonna be so yummy. We'll see, Trish. Okay, it's it's cooled now for like 10 minutes. And it's y'all, this is, look at that. But look, I put some on a plate. I'm gonna try it. It looks nothing like what they had in their video. All right, so I'm trying to do this one-handed, okay? I'm not gonna eat that. I'm not gonna eat that gooey part. That gooey part looks disgusting, okay? And in their video, mind you, right? It looked hard. Like they were able to pick it up and it was like a chunk. They were like almost like a cookie, like a big, thick ass cookie. So I'm gonna have to, because of Trish, I'm gonna have to try to like find the hard parts on here, which is all on the edges, so I can actually like, the only part that looks edible, see, actually, like, where's the camera? So it looks edible, right? You know what it tastes like? Tastes like just a chocolate chip cookie. That's all it is. But this part, let me show you. This part is disgusting. You guys. Like, that's just liquid. That's gross. Nobody wants to eat that. That's, I can't even get it off my fork because it's not even done. It's still raw. Anyways, that's my review. This is trash. Throwing it away. That's all I got for you guys. I'm not meant to bake. This is great. So a lot of these fails are great because now I can throw all this crap away and I don't have it sitting around in my house. So now I can continue on my diet because I was trying to just have a makeup session for the fail of last week, but now 2 times in a row I'm done. So I'll just stick to my keto, back on keto diet, and tomorrow's like what, December 1st in like a day or two. I'm just gonna trash this stuff. It's gross. All right, y'all. Bye.